As we're gonna go. So a long time ago when I was listening to Lightnin Hopkins records, and this is a beginner lesson by the way, but a long time ago when I was listening to Lightnin Hopkins records, I couldn't figure, I got this part, but I couldn't figure out what he was doing, you know. I can remember playing along with him, trying to get that accent. I mean, now it's second nature and it seems easy, but to somebody who's brand new, it's difficult. It was very difficult for me. So I'm doing the same thing on the A chord. So E, do it slow. So this B that I'm using here, I showed it in a video in an answer to a question yesterday on my on our Facebook group. Lightnin used this B a lot. You can also do it B7, sorry. I mean, there's the, but he would just use the top part sometimes and cover this with his thumb. Okay. Or you can do it like this, cover that with your finger. Doesn't sound as good, but I do it like this. The A, the E, and this little turnaround, I got from Muddy Waters. This one too. Lightnin may or may not have used that a time or two also. So you're going 4, 1, onto the second fret, into your B7 chord. So either start on the 3rd or start on the 4th. But that accent is the most important thing. He never used this B7. This B7 is quite a stretch. Back. I hate that when I leave my phone on. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, this B7 is a stretch. You can use these here. And then your accent. because this is an E7, into this B7 or this B7. And then start again. But that accent's important. It took me the longest time just to get this. And the intro I did was just simply starting at the fifth on the fifth string here and going. Okay. Into that B7. So if you're a flat picker, you would be hybrid picking. Okay. So I'm going, starting at the fifth on the fifth string at the fifth fret, and hitting my high E open. And then I go into the song. Now sometimes I will use my thumb pick to rate too, to do that accent. So the chords you need to know are your E, your A7, A7, this E7 here. And you can find that all through your pentatonic scale as well. Okay. So you can you can find all sorts of ways to play around with that. But this is the B7 that I recommend to beginners. It's hard to get the whole we won't worry about any scale stuff right now, because I find that a lot of lessons are geared towards beginner lessons and ideas that are geared towards beginners have too much scale stuff in them, right? Scales are not going to create songs. Chords do. Yes, scales build chords. Oftentimes I will play around with scale parts in the chord with little notes. But right now the most important thing is just to get that accent. Just to get that structure, that shuffle built into you. But this B7, I do recommend that you work on it. That stretch. Okay? because you're never going to be able to play it if you don't practice it. Okay? So practice that B7 as well. It's going to hurt your hand, but in the end, it will pay